Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the 435D M Sport Gran Coupe here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through both interior and exterior major talking points and features. Then of course I'll go around, take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there I will go a bit more in depth on the interior features. So as you can see, the vehicle is presented in the Estoril blue, and alongside that we've fitted the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. You'll also see the vehicle has the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, which are in the original Bi-Orbit grey, and they also come with the premium mixed run flat tyres. At the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2016 16 plate, and you'll also be able to see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. This vehicle does come equipped with a wide array of optional extras, a big one being the M Sport Plus pack. So we do get the M Sport Plus brakes front and rear, privacy glass, Harman Kardon surround sound, and the heated Dakota leather seats. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the gloss black air breathers, gloss black sidebars, and the satin side vinyls with the YNC Mperformance decals. Moving on to take a glance at the interior. For this vehicle it comes with the black Dakota leather, which not only has the heated seat option, it also has the electric movement and memory for driver's side, which of course we'll take a closer look at very shortly. There is that superb Harman Kardon surround sound with the Logic 7 system, which of course gives a very different and whole new experience to the interior of these vehicles, being one of the best surround sound systems to be fitted to any vehicle or any manufacturer. In the rear of the vehicle you'll find an Isofix 3-seat rear bench with the centre folding armrest, and of course that lovely darkened M Sport headlining. Again, a very comfortable, large, spacious place to be, whether you're sat in the front or rear of a Gran Coupe. Again, we'll just demonstrate and highlight how clean and tidy these 19-inch alloy wheels are before heading round to the rear of the vehicle, where we have got the high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser. With the vehicle being the 435D variant, of course you've got that incredibly superb intelligent four-wheel drive X-Drive system, and that is very good for two reasons. Of course, being four-wheel drive has a lot of advantages for the traction reason. However, BMW's X-Drive system, being that it is the intelligent system and not a clunky old-fashioned four-wheel drive system, as you can see, it does not eat into any of your luggage capacity, nor does it eat into any of the passenger compartment, unlike some other manufacturers that still struggle using their old-fashioned clunky four-wheel drive systems. Large boot space, and of course you still have the split folding seat option to further enhance that large luggage capacity, along with the very nicely presented genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle. Another feature on the rear of this car is the rear facing reversing camera. It also comes equipped with, which again when I step inside we will go through in depth a few more of the features that come with this vehicle. Again, I'm just going to show you how nicely presented the car is. Thanks to the sun shining through into the showroom today, you can get a sense of just how nice the Estoril blue really works. And we'll take one last look at the alloy wheels before I head on inside to go over some very special interior features on this car. There is of course the memory controls for your driver's front seat. I'm going to go ahead now and make myself comfortable inside the car, and I'll start it up first of all, where you're greeted with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we will of course run through some of the features and functions of that, not before showing you one of my absolute favourite features, which is the head-up display. So as you can see there, it's currently displaying the 0 miles per hour, which is of course your digital speedo display. Alongside this vehicle also have the traffic road speed sign display as well. So obviously we're on a 30-mile-an-hour zone here where our showroom is, and of course this is very good for recognition, so you're not having to look across, you're not having to look around at what speed you should be doing. The vehicle knows that via using the satellite navigation and the GPS system that is fitted to that. All good and useful safety features to keep you alert and looking straight ahead where you should be looking, as opposed to looking down or looking around for a speed limit sign. Moving on to the back to the vehicle itself, where you can see we've got the DAB screen up at the moment. However, it comes with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, as well as satellite navigation, which again is a very user-friendly system and a very clever one as well. We've also got Bluetooth telephone as well as audio. The vehicle also of course has dual climate control, and as I've mentioned does come with front heated seats. Going to the very main menu, we can also check out the vehicle information and service history of the car. You will of course see there that everything is highlighted in the green, and the service is not due for 19,000 miles, and this is thanks to the fact that the vehicle has very recently been to BMW for a service, which we can see now. As you can see there, this is the first service right the way up to the very most recent. The most recent service was carried out at 59848. Sorry, the recent mileage is 60,025 as it is done currently as we speak. And as you can see there, that's where it had a engine oil and microfilter change, which is fantastic news for any potential next owner of the vehicle, because it does mean it's just going to require a very basic oil and oil filter change next. So on screen now, you'll be able to see that rear facing reversing camera, which again is a very useful feature, as well as the front and rear parking sensors, sorry. So in summary, we've got a extremely nicely spec'd 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in the very striking Estoril blue, and of course we've finished that off nicely with our full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comment section, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find all of the relevant contact information, and of course the vehicle will be on our website, which will also be linked down below in the description, where we'll be very looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.